Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to show you is that really clever trick I came across actually on a forum when I was preparing this. So you can see here, okay, if I look at this section over here, all this revenue down here, that, this is fine, but this isn't pivot table ready, okay? Because basically you need to have revenue in here, you need to have operating expenses. So there needs to be kind of like a line in every one. So the way to do it is I click up here, and I just go down to this one, and then I just come up here to home, and I go across here to find and select. I could also just press F5 as well, and I just click on go to. I choose special, which immediately makes me start thinking of, that song from the Pretenders. You're special, special, so special. Yes, as you can see from my singing voice, there's a reason why I work in Excel. Click on the blanks, which is here. Click OK. And then what I do is I just click on this one up here, and I just go equals. Click on revenue, and then I just press Control and Enter together. That's the secret. And you see there, it just does a quick fill down on them all. God, I love that. I think that's so clever. All right. Hope you find it useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.